Baptisia plant profile. False indigo, Baptisia species, is a low-maintenance, deer-resistant plant that looks wonderful in a mixed perennial garden. It is also known as wild indigo. The common name stems from the fact that the Native Americans and early settlers used the plant to create colorful dyes. The genus Baptisia is a U.S. native that occurs naturally east of the Rocky Mountains. They are hardy from USDA Zones 4 through 8. Baptisia is known as a long-lived plant with deep roots, so be sure you place it where you want to keep it for several decades. Those deep roots also make it a very drought-tolerant and tough plant. It prefers to be in full sun and is not picky about soil type as long as it is well draining. It can take a few years for a young plant to fill out on top while it establishes those roots. But after year 3 in the garden, it should be about 3 feet wide and 4 to 5 feet high. It dies back to the ground in the winter and reemerges with tall flower spikes in the spring. By summer, the flowers have turned to seed pods, which are quite attractive themselves and make a satisfying rattle-like noise in the breeze. Baptisia is a terrific addition to a pollinator garden. It's the host plant for several caterpillars of moths and butterflies. In 2016, the Mount Cuba Center published the results of their Baptisia trials, and the top-rated plants include Screaming Yellow, Lemon Meringue, Ivory Towers, Blue Towers, Purple Smoke, and Cherries Jubilee. Baptisia, you can grow that.